A very typical variation question. So just translate this formula. It gives you the structure of hx. Hx is partially constant. That means we have two parts add together. One part is constant, so we use one constant k to represent it, and another part will be as x. That means it is k 2 times of x, a certain times of x. So that's why we write in this way. Let hx is equal to k1 plus k2x, where k1 and k2 are non-zero constant. If you don't write non-zero constant, basically you can still get full marks, no worry about that. And then they tell you two information given. H negative 2 is equal to negative 96. To handle this one, we may just use the definition of hx, and then we change it by replacing x to negative 2. So this is k1 plus k2 times x is become negative 2 now. It's negative 96. So they give you one equation with k1 and k2. Of course, to solve two equations, you expect another equation. So at the same time, we also know that h5 is equal to 72. So by the definition, this is k1 plus k2 times 5. And then we tidy up a little bit. K1 minus 2k2 is equal to negative 96. That means it is a simultaneous equation. I just copy in this format again. After that, you may use calculator directly. Those step marked in section A2, there is step marked in section A1. That's why you should show how you eliminate the result. But for section A2, you may just get the answer. For me, I will use the second equation, subtract the first equations. So I will have positive 5k2 minus negative 2k2 should equal to 72 minus negative 96. Since k1 minus 2k2 is negative 96, so that's why minus 2 times 24 is equal to negative 96. K1 is equal to negative 48. And then it's not finished. You still need to answer the question. We have to find hx. So your final conclusion. hx is equal to k1, that means negative 48, and then plus k2, 24 times of x. That's the answer of part A. In part B, they ask you to solve. Just follow the instruction. hx is equal to 3x squared. Because we know what is hx, so we place it by the answer in part A. It's obviously is a quadratic equation. To solve quadratic equation, we put everything to one side and then make one side become 0. So 3x squared minus 24x plus 48 equal to 0. Then you can use your calculator, formula 1, 3, negative 24, and 48. Or you may solve it by factorization. Divide both sides by 3 first, because I know all the values can divide by 3. And then I factorize it. X minus 4 squared is identity form. So x minus 4 is equal to 0. And x is equal to 4. We only have one repeated real root.